Well, hey there, let's talk about how to work the knit 5 below with a twist. And this is for the finish of the Get Me Out of Here shawl. So what we're going to do is when you reach the spot that says to knit 5 below, you'll actually count into the center of the stitches below, count down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the right needle and grab the working yarn from the back and pull it through. Now, we want it to be nice and long. We don't want to pull it through too tight, so give yourself some give there. So you've got a nice long stitch, and then knit that extra loop together through the back loop with the next stitch on the needle. And that is how it's going to work. So you don't create or you don't increase or decrease any stitches, but you do create this nice elongated stitch, which will sort of tuck the stitches together to create a little bit of a ripple along that outside edge, almost like a ruffle, but not quite. And you will just continue on with your row as normal until you get to the next spot to do another knit 5 below. So just like that, we'll do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go into the stitch right through the center, pull a nice long amount, not too tight. If it gets too short, it'll really scooch everything up. And then knit those 2 stitches together through the back loop. And there you have it.